Hi, everyone! Today we're bringing you an installation video for an indoor chandelier. The package contains one main product unit, one instruction manual, and one accessory pack. First, remove these 4 screws and keep them in a safe place. Please remove the product's crossplate and set it aside. Place the product's metal mounting plate at the intended installation location. Mark the position. And finally, use an electric drill to drill holes. Install the 4 nail sleeves and 4 screws from the accessory kit into the respective holes. Please connect the product's power cord to your power supply. Please reinstall the base mounting screws that were previously removed. Product installation completed. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.